Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today I'm coming to you from the Environmental Learning Center, and I want to talk about the Indian River Lagoon. So we're going to go visit the Discovery Station here in a few minutes. Also remember, like, subscribe, comment, greatly appreciated. So we're going to walk up to the Discovery Station, and I have a really neat exhibit to show you. So follow me. Well, we are almost to the Discovery Station here at the Environmental Learning Center, ELC. So I'll show you the door right here. And there's a really cool exhibit that I want to show you. So let's get inside here. This is the Discovery Station. Lots of cool exhibits. Check this out. And the whiskers on the manatee. They got a great mangrove tank, you can see. But what I want to show you is an exhibit over here that kind of shows you the seafloor of the Indian River Lagoon, of how it should look and how it actually looks right now. So I want to show you a little bit, a picture here, a video of an unhealthy Indian River Lagoon. Check that out. So, what do we not see in this picture? We see no fish, no seagrasses, no shrimp, no crabs, pretty much nothing except some algae growing on the bottom. So the question is, why does this happen? So what happens is, when we start dumping lots of excess nutrients, fertilizers, pesticides, just runoff, leaf clippings, things like that, dog poop, it's not picked up. When that gets washed into the storm drains, this is where it ends up, in the Indian River Lagoon. And you can see that little placard right there, no dumping, drains to lagoon. We see those in the storm drains all over Brevard County here. As a reminder that water that goes down those drains from the streets ends up in the Indian River Lagoon. Now, this is what the lagoon should look like. So hopefully you can notice several big differences here. One is the water is much clearer. We see some fish, seahorses here. We see seagrasses. We see tons of little snails. Can you see that snail right there? Kind of cruising along. What we see here is a healthy lagoon. And there's a lot of programs here along the counties involved with the Indian River Lagoon to try to restore the Indian River Lagoon to this state from that state. Thanks for watching.